Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all of my recent purchases from Morphe. I got a bunch of stuff recently online, so I'm going to show you what I got. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got two palettes from Morphe. I got the 35i palette and also the 35v Stunning Vibes palette. So I think I'll start with this one. I got this one for my birthday, so let's open this up. I think this is the new Morphe packaging. It's like a little bit more sleeker, a little bit smaller. I know the old packaging was like a little bit flimsy. I don't think I've bought a palette since then, which was a while ago now. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with this little plastic sleeve with all the names on it. Honestly, I don't know what to do with these things. I might stick it up here like that so I can kind of read the names and match it up to the names. I don't know, we'll see. But these things are pretty useless. I usually just throw them in the bin. Alright, so here's the palette. I really love the color scheme. You've got a lot of neutrals over this side, but you've got like pops of pink and like burgundy plum shades, and then you've got like blues and some purples down the bottom. Really love this teal color as well. Can't wait to use that. And there's also a matte black, so that's always nice to have in a palette. So I can't wait to play with this palette. It just looks like so versatile, but I don't really own anything like this, so I think it was definitely a good choice. This is sort of where I gravitate towards, this sort of color scheme, but I'm gonna try and step out of my comfort zone and try more colors. So yeah, I really can't wait to play with this. The next up is the 35i Icy Fantasy Palette. How pretty is this packaging? Wait till you see the actual palette. The cardboard packaging matches the palette. This is the palette. How pretty is it? It is a cardboard packaging. I much prefer cardboard though, but I think that one's really nice as well because it's really sturdy. But yeah, this is the palette, and let's open it up. So it's basically like a fully pastel palette besides these few shades up here. I think this is a pressed glitter and I'm a little bit scared to put that on my eye, but it's there if you want it. But I really was drawn to these pastel colors, like this blue and this purple and this kind of minty color. I couldn't find a palette that had a really good variety of colors, like pastel colors in one palette. So when I found this, I had to get it. I did watch some reviews and I don't know, there was some mixed reviews, but I thought I would just try it myself because I mean, it's just so pretty. And I can't wait to play around with these colors. I love pastels, they're really in right now. Pastels can be a bit tricky because they're so light and they can really like wash you out or just not show up at all on your skin. So this should be really interesting to try. So I'm looking forward to filming with this palette really soon. Alright, so I got one eyeshadow brush. This is the M124. It's just like a firm packing brush. It's like a really small one as well because I really needed something to just kind of get a little bit more precise with my eyeshadow, especially when I'm using shimmery colors, like to pick up and just pack on the lid. We're going to move on to lip products, which is the main reason why I wanted to get stuff from Morphe. I got 7 lip liners, and the reason why I got so many is because they're $4 on Morphe's website. So these are all nude lip liners, but they're like different shades of nude, so they're all different, you know. Alright, so the names are Sweetheart, which is I think the lightest one I got, Spiffy, Honeymoon, Sugar Pie, Chippy, Bite Me, and Sweet Tea. I've been seeing everyone using Sweet Tea from Morphe, so of course I made sure to get this lip liner, and if I really like it, I'm going to get doubles, maybe triples of this. I also got 2 lip glosses and a lipstick, nudes once again. Alright, so I got Flower Crown and Boho. Alright, so that is Flower Crown. Yeah, that one is Flower Crown. And I'm going to swatch these on my lips as well so you can see exactly what they look like. I love the packaging, by the way. These are the lip glosses. How pretty is this packaging? It just looks so luxe and expensive. So I think they're just the perfect size for a lip gloss. You know, they're not too long, they're not too short, they're not too skinny. And I just love this design up the top. I think it's really cool. I'm just going to show you the lipstick really quick. So this is called Flirt. Nice and sleek. They went for that kind of square vibe. Alright, so here is the lipstick. They have the M printed on the front there. So I'm going to remove my lipstick and we're going to get into the lip liner swatches, and then we'll do the lipsticks and everything like that. Alright, so this is the lip liner. So it's basically like a MAC lip pencil where you just sharpen it. So I'm going to apply this, and it's got the name just down here. So it says Sweetheart. Alright, so this is Sweetheart applied all over my lips, and it's a very wearable colour. I love this nude. It's probably the lightest nude that I would wear. If you prefer a little bit more of a wearable colour, then this one is for you. Also, I wanted to mention that these lip liners are so creamy, so easy to apply. I just really enjoyed using them. It's just like, I mean, not too creamy where it feels like it's gonna slip and slide around, but and I do just go over my lips just to kind of mute out the colour of my natural lips, just so the lip liners, you can kind of see the true colour of them. I can already tell I'm going to love this colour. Alright, this one is Spiffy. Here is Spiffy, which I would say is just a little bit darker than Sweetheart. There's not a huge difference, but it's still a really nice nude. Alright, and next up we have Sweet Tea. This is probably going to be my go-to nude lip liner. I'm just loving this colour all over the lips as well. I'll probably just use it like more as a lip liner just to contour my lips, but I love it all over as well. Alright, let's go ahead and apply Sugar Pie. This colour is so perfect for autumn. I love this shade. It's like a little bit more mauvey, but it's not like too red or too pink. It's still got more of a brown undertone. I can't really say anything bad about this one. It's such a nice colour, and I think it's a little bit different from the previous ones that I tried. So next I'm going to do Chippy, which looks like more of a reddish brown. I'm not sure. We shall find out. This one's a little bit more red. It's a little bit lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be more of a burgundy type of colour. It kind of reminds me of Spice from MAC. Next, going in with Bite Me. So this is Bite Me all over the lips. It's a really like warm tone, rich brown. And last up we have Honeymoon. So that is Honeymoon all over the lips. It looks quite similar to Sweetheart, which is the first one that I applied. Maybe the undertone is slightly different, but still there's not a huge difference. Alright, so those are all 7 lip liners. I'm just going to swatch them on the back of my hand just so you can see them side by side. Alright, so we'll start with Sweet Tea. Next up is Chippy. And then I'll do Honeymoon, Sugar Pie, Spiffy, Bite Me, and lastly, Sweetheart. Alright, so those are all the lip liners side by side. You can see some of them are quite similar, but they do have slightly different undertones. Alright, so I just lined my lips with Honeymoon. So now I'm going to go in with the lipstick, and this is called Flirt. So this is a cream finish lipstick. Ooh, so creamy. That colour is like so pale, which I love. Alright, so here's what the lipstick looks like. It's a very creamy formula. It's almost a little bit glossy on the lips, which I don't mind. But what I like to do sometimes is just fill in my lips completely with lip liner and then just dab the lipstick on top, and it makes it a lot more long lasting. Alright, and now for the lip glosses. I'm first going to go in with Boho. which is the more pinky one. So here's Boho. It's like a really nice nudie pink color. And now going in with Flower Crown. Alright, so there's Flower Crown on the lips. It's a really nice pale nude. Okay, so I just applied Sweet Tea lip liner, the lipstick, and Flower Crown gloss, and this is like the perfect nude lip. I am obsessed. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love all the new products that I got, especially the lip liners. I am so happy that I got all these shades. So I do think a couple of the lip liners were pretty similar, but hopefully it helps you out in choosing the perfect nude shade. I like a lipstick that's not too matte but not too creamy, or it just slides right off after having a glass of water. So this is more on the creamy side. It does have a glossy finish. As you can see, the M that was imprinted in there is completely gone because of how creamy it is, so it just kind of got pressed down. But it is really comfortable on the lips, and I do always go over my lipstick with a gloss anyway. And as for the lip glosses, I know these are going to be go-to nudes that I'm always going to reach for, so yeah, there's not much else I can say about those. Really love both of the shades. Right now I'm wearing a Flower Crown, but I love Boho as well. It's just slightly more of a pink. So I'm going to be using these palettes in my upcoming tutorials, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see me using those. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!